Hey, if you haven't heard, I've created this exclusive group for all of you to learn more tips and hacks about credit building, Navy Federal, high limit credit cards, investing, business credit, and much more. I'm going to be posting more tips and hacks that I can't post on YouTube. So make sure you go subscribe right now at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. It's 50% off for the next 50 subscribers right now. On this channel, I have helped people get over 600,000 in credit, removing over 5,000 inquiries, and also removing 200 collections. Wait, there is more, and you don't want to miss it in this group. So make sure you join right now. See you there. Hey everyone, it's your girl Designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Capital One secured credit card and why I really don't vouch for them anymore. So if you want to know what I think about them, stay tuned. So first, let's just get into what is a secured credit card. So a secured credit card is very beneficial to those with a thin credit profile, such as if you have less than 2 revolving accounts and none installment accounts, then you're considered a thin credit profile. It's also considered as no credit as well, or it's beneficial to those that have bad credit. If you have tons of negatives, or you're just your credit score and your credit profile isn't just so great, then the secure credit card is good for those. And it's also good once you repair your credit, then you want to start fresh and you want to get a couple of secure cards. Once you get all those negative items off, then a secure card is a great way to start fresh. A secure credit card usually requires a refundable deposit at $200. So with a secured credit card, it's basically you're using your own money, and then if you decide to put $200 minimum on a credit card, then that becomes your credit card limit. I highly recommend only putting $200 minimum on a secured credit card. You don't need to use all of your capital on a secured credit card. The key to credit is OPM, using other people's money. So I just want to throw that out there. If you are inquiring about getting a secured credit card and you may want to put 500, 1,000, 5,000, I highly don't recommend that. And I'll tell you why I don't recommend that in the next slide if you are going to get Capital One as a secured credit card option. So most secured credit cards report to all 3 credit bureaus to help you build your payment history. So again, like I said in the beginning, this is going to help you build your credit if you have thin credit or no credit, or if you're repairing your credit. This also helps build trust with lenders so you can apply for unsecured credit cards and loans in the future, and you'll likely get approved because you built that relationship with them. So if you're brand new to a bank or a credit union such as Navy Federal, which I talk about a lot, a secure card may be an option for you if you're brand new and you want to build a relationship with them long term and apply for their future products and services. So let's talk about Capital One cons and misconceptions. I'm not going to get into much of the actual Capital One credit card perks in the credit card and what they offer, because this isn't a Capital One bashing, but this is a just be aware before you apply to a Capital One or get a secure credit card that things have changed. So prior to things have changed, Capital One secured credit card was a great card to have. Capital One is definitely a great bank that I highly recommend for auto loans, business banks, even personal credit cards. But the secured credit card, not so much now. Now, Capital One has recently changed their secured credit card terms and conditions. So remember when I mentioned that most secured credit cards will refund you your deposit back and graduate you to an unsecured credit card? Well, Capital One does not offer that anymore, which is really a bummer. They no longer will refund you your deposit or graduate the card to unsecured. You can only get a refund back if you close the credit card. So I really don't like that. That's a thumbs down for me. So are you telling me if I close my credit card, which will drop my score now that I have payment history from this credit card, I cannot get my money back? So those that are thinking of depositing 5,000, 1,000, just over the top amount on a Capital One secured credit card, you may want to think twice before you do so, okay? Because you would not get your money back until you close the credit card. And the point of having credit cards is building relationships with them and keeping the credit card open. So, another downfall in Burma that I didn't like was you only get 1 to 2 increases during the entire duration of having a card. So a lot of people have been asking me or have gotten advice from other people or gurus that you may see on the internet about credit hacks and stuff like that. And they're saying, well, if I deposit $5,000 onto a secured credit card, will this increase my limit later down the line? I honestly don't recommend anybody putting $5,000, $2,000, $1,000 onto a secured credit card, especially if you're going to be in Capital One, because you could use that money for something else. $200 will get the job done exactly what you need. If you have a thin credit profile, all you're working on towards is the payment history. Okay, there are tons of hacks and tricks that I've mentioned on this channel where you don't need $5,000 just to get a $5,000 credit limit. So keep your money in your pocket and just do the bare minimum with secured credit cards. And be sure to know that there are other options than Capital One. Also, once you reach 6 months with this credit card, they're only going to do a $300 increase, okay, from six to 12 months. I'm not exactly sure when they will increase it, but it usually is between 6 to 12 months. Some have waited longer, so Capital One isn't really a top secure card for me. So let's just talk about other options that you can get that Designer Soapbox highly recommend. So Navy Federal nRewards is a great option. I love Navy Federal. Of course, you guys know if you are a subscriber of my channel, and you know I'm going to highly recommend Navy Federal. Now, Navy Federal Credit Union is a credit union where you have to be a member. So make sure you check out my video on how to join if you're not in Navy Federal. If you don't qualify to join Navy Federal, I highly recommend Discover It Secure card. That's my second recommendation. That is also my secure card that I got when I first got a secure card. I put $200 on it, and literally at 5 months, guys, 5 months, it went to a unsecured credit card, and they increased my limit about $500 more. It was amazing. I highly recommend Discover It Secured Credit Card. Their terms and conditions have not changed, and I received my check in the mail. And you know what I did? I went to go deposit it back into my account. So this is why I'm saying there are other options that are great for you. I highly recommend also, if you don't want to get Navy Federal Credit Union or Discover It Secure Credit Card, what you can also do is go to your local bank or your credit union, which is my third recommendation, and you can build trust with them, and they will likely have an option for a secure credit card. Most banks do, and most credit unions also offer that option. And if you're likely going to do more business with your local credit union, such as auto loans and home loans, or your local bank, then this is a great option, because then you can get lower interest rates and a great interest rate when you are applying for new products and services that they offer. So helpful tips, guys, that I wanted to leave you with this video. Only deposit $200 on a secured credit card. If you want to deposit more, you can, but I highly don't recommend, especially if you're a subscriber of this channel. You will see why only $200 is what you need to do to the bare minimum, and you will still get that high limit. Just be patient. credit isn't overnight and high limits isn't overnight. So please don't listen to those on the internet that will tell you you can get a $10,000 credit union if you put down $5,000 on a secured credit card. You can get that either or with a minimum of $200. Patience is a virtue. Just be patient. Also, you don't need any more than $200 on a secured credit card, like I said. And if you deposit $500 on a secured credit card and you have collections or high utilization on any other cards and loans, you really don't understand how credit works. Okay? If you have a credit card of $200 on a secured credit card and you have a collection that's $300 or a credit card that you can pay off, why waste $500 on a secured credit card when you can use that other $300 to pay off your other credit cards, which will increase your score faster, and you still have a credit card of $200 as well. So I hope that makes sense, but what I'm trying to say and get at is do the bare minimum with a secured credit card and use that extra money to pay off debt that you do have. Okay? Depositing $1,000 onto a Capital One secured credit card won't do you any good and it's going to do you more harm. Okay? Manage your cards, but don't cancel them. So this is why I say you may want to reconsider Capital One secured credit card and check out the other options that I mentioned, because canceling your cards can drop your score. Get a secure card with no annual fees, and that will refund you your deposit back after 6 to 12 months, and that will graduate you to an unsecured credit card. So Navy Federal, nRewards, and Discover It secured credit card, or those type of options. Okay. This will avoid your score going down, okay, and also closing your cards and make your score drop. So even if you don't use your credit cards, don't close them. Keep them and just let them report as a zero balance if they are all paid down. But don't cancel them, guys, okay? Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Follow me on my Instagram and Designer Soapbox. Make sure you check out our exclusive group where I drop more hidden gems, exclusive hacks, and tips. And you can check that out at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. Okay? And make sure you check out those ebooks at www.designersoapbox.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.